Today, we're diving into a topic that's fundamental to understanding volume measurements: the relationship between cubic centimeters and milliliters. Despite different names, these units are equivalent, and this video will explain why. To understand this equivalence, let's look at a cubic centimeter. A cubic centimeter is exactly 1 centimeter along each side, creating a small cube. Watch as we draw it. 1 milliliter is equal to this 1 cubic centimeter. We can represent this relationship with 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. This direct equivalence means that any volume measured in cubic centimeters can be directly converted to milliliters without any calculation. Let's imagine a practical example: measuring liquid in a laboratory. Imagine pouring water into a graduated cylinder. We use milliliters because they are convenient for liquid measurements in labs. Each milliliter you pour in is equivalent to adding a cube with 1 cubic centimeter volume. Let's also consider everyday measurements. Have you ever noticed how a spoon is usually measured in milliliters? This is because it's much easier to picture a few milliliters of liquid filling a small space. Each of those milliliters can be thought of as a small 1 centimeter cube. Historically, the equivalence was established to unify liquid measurements scientifically. Adopting this standard allows consistent data comparison in many industries, from cooking to pharmaceuticals. The clarity offered by standard units ensures precise measurements. Remember, every cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter, simplifying many tasks across various fields. This understanding is not only valuable in science, but also practical in day-to-day life.